Good morning.
No,
Yes, good morning again. Listen to Miss Leticia. Tell me, I hope that you have a wonderful day. Uh, we're talking about today. What day is today? Tell me, what day is today? Hello, Juliet, so beautiful. Today is, what's it?
Monday.
Mom Day. Very good. Today is Mom Day. Excellent. Beautiful. You're so beautiful, Dylan. Julissa. I said Julissa. No. Okay. Juliet. So beautiful. Like farmer. You are a farmer. Do you know what is a farmer? ¿Usted sabe quién es un farmer? ¿Qué será un farmer? Dieguito, escúchame, Dieguito. Listen to me, Leticia. A farmer, ¿qué será un farmer? Do you know the farmer? A farmer maybe work with fruits and plants and veggies with the animals, work with animals, okay? The farmer es el agricultor, el granjero. El granjero. Ajá, ¿usted ha visto un granjero? When you go to the country, cuando usted ha ido al campo. Ajá. Yeah, finish, dice Dieguito. Ajá, un granjero. Entonces, tengo aquí algunos granjeritos. Lovely farmers, okay, very good. For example, Juan, Ezequiel, maybe Dylan and Juliet, because you're wearing the clothes, okay, according to the farmer. But the rest, it doesn't matter if you don't have the clothes, okay? It doesn't matter. Okay, today, if I say the farmer work with animals, si yo digo que el granjero trabaja con los animalitos, ¿con qué animalitos usted ha visto cuando ha ido al campo? When you went to the country. ¿Qué animalitos ha visto?
Oso.
El oso. En el campo.
Horse.
Oh, so sorry. Horse. Very good. Okay, the horse, Aisha. Very good. Excellent. Tell me another animal. Tell me another animal. Horse. Pig. Excellent. Very good, Tamari. Then?
Chicken.
Chicken. Very good. Juan,
Cow.
cow. Very good. What else? ¿Qué más? Chicken, pig, horse, cow. What else? Wow, do you have a farm? Juliet, excellent. You have a duck. You have a duck, or maybe duck, or the sheep. Okay, let me present. I need that you close your eyes. Everybody close your eyes. Todos van a cerrar sus ojos. No me haga trampa porque yo los estoy viendo. Relájese, relax, relax. Think that you are in the countryside. Piense que está escuchando la naturaleza. Listen to the trees. Listen to the animals. And then, okay, relájese, Damaris, no mueva la cabeza, don't move your head, okay. Necesito que estén relajadas para que ustedes escuchen lo que les voy a presentar. And then, at the end, you tell me, and you recognize the animals that you listen. Al final usted me va a decir qué animalitos escuchó, pero al final, at the end, no now, no ahora, okay? No now. Por eso quiero que usted cierre sus ojos. Amy, close your eyes, no me haga trampa. Relájese, okay, listen. Nobody talk. Juliet, close your eyes, please, everybody. Okay, I count and listen. Usted va a escuchar, okay. Listen, please. Okay. Slowly you open your eyes. Lentamente va a abrir sus ojitos. Open your eyes, please. Come on. Okay, open your eyes. Now you tell me, okay, I ask you, Juliet, turn on your microphone, please. Tell me what sound do you listen, listen, Diego, listen to me. Only Juliet, and then you answer, okay? Juliet, tell me which animal do you recognize? Okay, which one? What sound do you recognize? ¿Qué sonido reconociste? A ver, vamos. ¿De qué animal? Tell me the animal.
La gallina, the chicken.
The chicken, yes, the hen, la gallina, the hen. Very good. Dieguito Cortés, vamos, ahora sí te toca a ti. Your turn. Turn on your camera, please. Dieguito. Turn on your camera, please. Thank you, baby. Ok, hasta que Diego encienda la cámara, vamos con Emi. Emi, turn on your microphone. Tell me, what sound do you recognize? What sound or what animal sound do you recognize?
Gallina.
That you don't repeat, that Juliet says gallina, okay? The other animal that you remember, You don't repeat gallina or chicken or hen. Another animal. What do you listen?
La oveja.
La oveja, yes. This is sheep, okay? Melanie, tell me the animal. What sound do you recognize? Did you recognize? Sorry. What animal? Melanie, turn on your microphone, please. Juliet said the chicken, and Amy said the sheep, la oveja. Tell me another animal, Melanie.
Chicken.
What is?
Pig.
Pig. Okay, pig. Pig. Very good. Thank you. Dylan, tell me the animal. Another animal. Sheep, pig,
Duck.
chicken.
Duck.
Dylan, tell me another animal. You don't say pig, chicken, and sheep. Another animal that you remember the sounds.
Horse.
Horse. Very good. Excellent. Very good. Damaris, what did you say? Tell me the animal, Damaris. The chicken.
Pato.
Oh, yes. Duck. The duck. David, tell me another animal, David.
Cow.
Yes, Damaris. Okay.
Cardo.
Where is David?
Dog.
Dog. Okay, very good. Dog. Okay, dog. Excellent. Now, let's stop and then continue with the sounds. Okay, and then we play with these dice. Okay, let me present this video. Please. Okay, and if you want to sing, everybody sing. Okay, no more. You tell me if you can see the video. You can see the video, yes or no? Tell me yes, Leticia, no, Miss Leticia, okay? Yes, okay, thank you, baby. Okay, listen. Listen. Oh, McDonald's, listen. And then you practice this song. On.
Miss, I am here. Yo no escucho, Miss.
You don't listen? No? No escucho, Juanse.
I no escucho.
No se escucha.
I'm here.
Okay, I don't know what happened. Déjenme repetir, okay? Let me repeat again. Pero el video sí lo ven, okay? El video sí lo ven.
Yes.
Okay, es el audio, ¿ven?
Y el video.
Ok, ustedes me van a decir otra vez si lo... Ok, déjenme volverlo a repetir, ok. Está todo el... Ok. Déjenme ver. Yes or no? Listen.
Yeah.
Listen.
No.
No.
No, me. I don't hear. No, me. No.
Déjenme volverlo
Me
a...
lo quitó el video. Está muy rojo esto para
Sí.
que apriete el micrófono. Me nos quitó del video.
Sí, lo quité porque me dice que no están escuchando. Qué raro. Déjenme volverlo a compartir y lo vuelvo a colocar, ¿ok? Déjenme un ratito.
No, no, no.
Okay, listen. Wait a minute.
No.
Ok, no problem. Todavía no he compartido el video. Espérenme un ratito. Estoy volviendo a compartirlo. Okay, give me a moment. You tell me. Can you see the video, yes or no?
No. Sí. Sí.
Okay, yeah, okay. Yes. Usted me dice sí con su manito arriba, si escucha. Okay. No.
No,
Miss, se escucha muy bajo, demasiado bajo.
De
Miss,
verdad.
I don't hear.
You don't hear.
No.
Qué raro, porque yo tengo todo el volumen alto. Súper raro. Ok, it doesn't matter. Vamos a ver el video nada más y luego lo reviso, ok? No problem, ok? Only you try to watch a video, ok? Only watch a video. Quack. You have the ducks. Yes. And a horse's car, and it had the cows. You had the cows. It said moo, moo, moo. I don't know how to run. E-I-E-I-O. The cows are dancing, yeah? And the pig. Had some pigs. E-I-E-I-O. Oink. Oh, McDonald's had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Okay. Okay. Dieguito, okay. Yes, thank you. Okay, now. Yeah. Yes, the cow sounds moo. The cow sounds, but the horse. Where is the sound? The horse. Where is the sound? The horse. ¿Cuál es el sonido que hace el caballo? Where is the sound? The horse sound. Yes. Yee. And the pig sounds. The pig sounds. Oi. Yes, everybody practice. Oi. Yes. And the duck sounds. The duck sounds. Quack. And the duck. And the dog sound. The duck. Not the duck. Dog. Wow. Yes. And the sheep sound. The sheep. Me, yeah. And the goat, y de la cabra, the goat. This is, no, this is me. Me, the goat is me. The sheep is I have the sound, the sheep. And the sheep is, I forgot the sound about I forgot the sound. Okay, but let's continue with this. Okay, now. Okay, let's practice with your dice. Vamos a practicar con su dado. Ojo, ojo. Yes, you throw the dice. Yes, usted lo va a lanzar. Throw the dice on the table, sobre su mesa, on the table. And maybe, for example, listen to me. I throw my dice. Okay, and, okay. La que salió hacia arriba, the up, the picture that is up, upside, okay, maybe for example, this is, yes, me tocó a mí el pato. I got it, the dog. Tell me the animals, usted me va a decir el animal, ajá. This is the dog.
Me tocó el caballo.
Yeah, and you make the sound, y va a ser el sonido de ese animal, okay. Vamos a hacerlo uno por uno, okay. And this is my example. For example, it's a dog. It's, you say, it's a dog, it's a sheep, it's a horse, usted tiene que decir, it's a chicken, it's a hen, it's a goat, and you make the sound, y va a ser el sonido. For example, it's a dog, quack, quack, okay? For example, lo lanza de nuevo, throw, empiezo con Juanse, vamos Juanse, okay, start with Juanse, láncelo, throw, okay, turn your microphone. Señálelo y muéstrelo. Show. Cow, ok. It's a cow. Ahora es el sonido, Juanse. Tiene que ser el sonido. Presentar el sonido. Ok, pero usted tiene que decir, it's a cow.
It's a cow.
Ok, moo. Ok, thank you. Ok, Ezequiel, vamos, your turn, Ezequiel. Throw your dice.
Lanza el dado.
Okay, throw your dice.
Otro animal.
Okay, and tell me, what animal is it?
Oveja, mere.
Yo.
It's oveja, mere.
Sheep. Repeat, sheep. It's a sheep, la oveja, sheep. It's a sheep. Okay, and say, but in this case, ba. I say ba. Me is the goat. A ver, vamos a ver la diferencia. El de aquí, la cabrita hace me, and the sheep ba. Okay, that's the difference. Gabriel, Gabriel, your turn. Come on, you throw your dice and you tell me the animal and the sound. Turn on your microphone.
It's a sheep.
Sheep, okay. And the sound?
Me.
Okay, we say that. Okay. Ba. Me is a goat. Okay, ba. Okay, yes. Ba. Okay, thank you. Melanie.
A mí me tocó el pato.
Okay, Amy, we're a minute. Todos vamos a hacer un ratito, okay? Melanie, turn on your microphone and throw the dice. Lanza el dado y dime qué animal te salió. Usted siga practicando con su dado, ¿ok? Practice with your dice. A ver, vamos, Melanie, come on. Lanza tu dado, throw your dice, and tell me and show us your animal. ¿Cuál te salió? Vamos, ¿cuál te salió? Tell me. No te escucho, I don't listen to you. Melanie, I don't listen, no te escucho en mi vida.
La gallina.
La gallina, hen. Vamos a repetir. It's a hen. It's a hen. Repite conmigo, Melanie. Repeat after me. It's a hen.
It's a hen.
Ok, ahora sí me vas a hacer el sonido. ¿Cómo hace hen? ¿Cuál es el sonido? What is the sound? ¿Cómo hace una gallina? A ver.
Kikiri, kiki.
Kikiri, kikiri, kikiri. Ok, thank you, kikiri, kikiri, kikirikiki. Okay, Melanie. Okay, Mateo, show me your animal, please. Mateo Carvajal. Throw your dice and show us your animal, please. Come on, let's do it, Mateo. Quickly, quickly, vamos a hacerlo más rápido, vamos. Okay, come on.
It's a horse.
It's a horse, okay, the animal. Okay, the sound. Vamos con el sound. ¿Cómo hace?
Yo no sé cómo hacer. Como un caballo.
¿Cómo es el caballo? ¡Ii! Vamos. ¡Ii! Oh my gosh. Okay, Mateo. No problem. Okay, you practice the sound, Mateo. Okay, Damaris, your turn, Damaris. Damaris, okay. Throw your dice. It's a cow. Very good. Okay, the sound. Ahora vamos con el sonido, the sound.
¿Cómo hace la vaca?
Ooh, okay, this is very easy. Okay, thank you, Damaris. Fatima, your turn. Throw your dice and try it. Fatima, throw your dice. Enciende el micrófono.
Horse.
It's a horse. Okay, and what is the sound? ¿Cuál es el sonido del horse?
Me.
Okay, very good. Okay. Juliet, your turn, Juliet. Throw your dice. Okay, hasta eso usted va coloreando. Color the farm, color the animals, the color that you want, okay? Mientras termino, para avanzar, you color, only color, using the color that you want, utilizando el color que usted que quiera, okay? Vamos, come on, let's do it. Juliet, tell me, what is the sound, what is your animal, please? What's your animal? It's a, ese de que tiene unos cachitos se llama goat, goat. Te salió la cabra, el chivito, esta cosa, cabra. Goat. Repeat, it's a goat.
It's a goat.
Ajá. And what is the sound of this goat? ¿Cómo hace goat? ¿Cómo hace la cabra? Me, me, me. Yeah. Repeat, me, me. Okay. It's so funny, but you practice no more. Okay, thank you. Aisha, show your, okay, throw your dice, Aisha, and make the sound. Aisha, come on.
El pato.
El pato, but you say duck, duck, duck. Repeat. It's a
Duck.
duck. Uh-huh. And what is the sound?
Dog.
It's a duck. Okay, and what is the sound? ¿Cuál es el sonido? ¿Cómo hace the duck? Okay. Okay, thank you very much. Dylan, your turn, Dylan. Okay, throw your dice. Lanza el dado, Dylan, lanza el dado. Okay, what is your animal? What is that? It's a?
Dog.
Dog.
It's a duck. Okay, and what is the,
Dog.
yeah, duck. And what is the sound? ¿Cómo hace duck? What is the sound? The animal sound.
¿Cómo es el pato?
Quack, 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 quack.
Quack, 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 quack. Yes, okay. Thank you, Dylan. Okay, excellent. Emmy, throw your dice, please. Throw your dice, Emmy, come on. Come on, yes, come on, come on. Emmy, you don't listen to me. Emmy, come on, your turn, sorry. Throw your dice. And then Diego. Okay.
Una oveja.
It's a?
Una oveja.
Ay, ¿cómo dijimos la oveja? Sheep. Sheep.
Sheep.
Okay, sheep. And
Sheep.
what is the sound of the sheep? ¿Cómo hace sheep?
Meh.
Okay, yeah, okay,
Meh.
okay. Meh, or in this case, ba. Okay, Dieguito, throw your dice. Thank you, Amy. Dieguito, lanza el dado, Dieguito. Throw your dice, Dieguito. Diego, listen to Miss Leticia. Diego, throw your dice. Diego, lanza el dado, mi amor, lanza el dado. ¿Qué animal te sale? Ajá, ¿cuál te salió? Turn your microphone. It's a, ¿cómo se llama ese animal? Yeah, but it's a, ¿y cómo se llama? Cow. Repeat.
Cow.
Cow. Yes, very good.
Cow.
Okay. Excellent, Dieguito. Excellent. Okay, now, don't forget that this is a sheep, duck, horse, and the hen, de la gallina, the hen, okay, and goat, el que tiene los cuernitos, goat, okay, no more. Okay, now, in worksheet number 1, listen to Miss Leticia, vamos antes de que se acabe el tiempo, okay, you write the letter. If you can see the picture, each picture has assigned a letter. Cada figura tiene asignado una letra, okay? According to this animal, according to this letter, you write. Vamos a escribir aquí arriba, donde están estas palabras, en la línea, on the line, sobre las líneas, vamos a escribir las letras. You identify and you tell me, yo les voy a leer, I'm gonna read the word, and you tell me the letter, because you know the letter, okay? Yo les leo la palabra y usted me va a decir qué letra es porque usted ya conoce todas estas letras que tienen los animalitos. No me puede decir, mira, yo no conozco esa letra porque ya las hemos visto anteriormente. Ok, vamos, let's start, ok. Voy a hacerlo con lápiz de color. For example, spider. A spider is done. Ya está hecha. Spider, ¿qué letra tiene spider? Ubique, recognize, look at the picture and recognize. Spider has letter. ¿Cómo se llama esa letra que tiene spider? What is the letter?
B.
Letter B, ok. Usted lo va encerrando, circle, para que ya sepa cuál ya va haciendo, ok. Letter B. Yo lo vuelvo a señalar para que usted sepa que ya está hecha. Spider. Vamos con la siguiente. Voy hacia abajo, ¿verdad? En forma vertical, the vertical way. Así voy haciéndolo en forma vertical, debajo de B. Mouse. Mouse. Tell me the letter. Mouse. ¿Qué letra tiene mouse? Búsquelo. Mouse. Letter. Mouse. Busque dónde está mouse. ¿Qué letra tiene? If you know, turn on your microphone. Encienda el micrófono. If you know the answer. Mouse. Estoy aquí en mouse. ¿Qué letra tiene mouse?
E.
Letter. Letter. Damaris.
E. Letter E.
Suena I, pero no se llama I. Acuérdese, como yo les dije que se llamaba. Como cuando le dolía algo.
I.
Ay, very good, Aisha. Ay, ok. Ay. Suena I, pero se llama I. Muy bien, ya le puse aquí, letter I. Aquí donde dice mouse. Abajo de eso, sheep. El que hace así, sheep. Dijimos que sheep, que era sheep. What is the sheep? ¿Qué dijimos que era sheep?
H.
Letter
H.
H. La
H.
oveja, ¿verdad? Very good. Letter H. Excellent. Letter H. Llevamos H. Llevamos acá. Letter H. La H. Letter H. Usted lo va a escribir la letra, ¿ok? Very good. H. Let's go. Vamos con la siguiente. I have H, ¿ok? La última aquí de esta columna. Goat. Goat. Where is the goat? La que tiene los dos cuernitos. Goat. Búsquelo. What letter is goat? What letter is
L.
letter A? Very good, Aisha. Ya está con las pilas puestas. Okay. Very good. Excellent, Aisha. A. This is A. Goat. A. Goat. A. la cabrita, ¿verdad? A. Excellent. A. I have B, I, H, A. Ok, vamos en la segunda columna, the second column. Horse, horse. Where is the horse?
B.
Letter. The horse, letter. Por ahí escuché, pero no me... B, no, B ya fue hecha, B. ¿Cómo se llama esa letra? Letter C, very good. Letter C, yes, this is letter C, okay, letter C, here. Letter C, excellent, horse. The next one, duck. What is the letter? D. Very good, D, letter D. Here, I have letter D. D, duck. Ajá, duck. Ok. Haga minúsculas, las minúsculas. Next one, duck. Wow, duck. I say, wow, duck. What is the letter for the duck? Letter G. Very good. Letter G for duck. Letter G, okay? For duck, letter G. Letter G. For duck, letter G. Cat. What is that cat? F. Very good. Letter F, the cat. F. Excellent. F. Y la última columna, the last column. Chicken. Where is the chicken? Where is the chicken? Letter. Chicken, los pollitos, ¿dónde estamos? Letter. ¿Cómo se llama esa letra? What is that? Letter. J, the jacket, acuérdese. J, letter J, la J, J, esto que está aquí, de Jean-Pierre, de Julio, Juliana, Juliet, J, letter J. Okay, that's the chicken. And the cow, what letter has cow? E, very good, letter E. The sound A, very good, the sound A. Okay, that's it. And then you color, okay? Because the hour is very short today and you color at home, okay? The most important is to write the letters.
I finished me.
If you don't finish to color, si no termina de colorear ahora porque ya se va a terminar en la hora, lo puede hacer en su casa después, ¿ok? No problem. The most important, lo más importante era hacerlo de arriba, ¿ok? No problem. Yes? Finish, Fatima. Excellent, very good. Good job. And you have this, ¿ok? No problem. Don't forget that you have a lesson tomorrow. Mañana tienen lección, acuérdese el dictado de las letras. Practique en la casa, practice at home. Mañana tiene lección de las letras. For example, Miss Leticia says M, and you write M. Tiene que tener el cuaderno, notebook, or paper, and a pencil, okay? And you take a dictation. Practique en su casa, díctele las letras para que ellos puedan hacer bien mañana su evaluación, perdón, su lección. Okay? Bye bye, my little babies. Cuídese, take a soup, tómese la sopa. I love you so much. I love you, everyone, okay? I love you so much.
Bye bye, Miss.
Bye bye, baby. Bye bye, baby. Bye bye.
Tell me.